Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The Best Travel Adapter Kit is probably one of the most overlooked yet absolutely essential accessories for any globetrotter, ensuring your beloved Apple devices stay powered up and ready to capture every precious memory or handle critical business tasks, no matter which corner of the world you find yourself exploring, making it an indispensable companion for truly seamless international adventures and uninterrupted connectivity. Number 5. TESSAN European Travel Plug Adapter. Planning a trip to Europe? This adapter is your perfect companion, ensuring your devices stay powered across many popular destinations like France, Germany, Spain, and Italy. It works in most European countries, but not in the UK or Ireland. Say goodbye to multiple chargers. It transforms one European Type-C outlet into an American socket and two USB ports, allowing you to power up to 3 devices at once. Just ensure your devices don't exceed a combined power load of 2500 W. Featuring both USB-A and USB-C ports, it intelligently detects your devices to deliver optimal charging speeds. Keep your phone, tablet, laptops, and other gadgets ready for adventure with its flexible charging options. Weighing only 3 ounces, this adapter is incredibly light and portable. It easily fits into your pocket or bag, saving valuable space in your luggage for hassle-free travel. It's also a cruise ship essential with no surge protection or cords. Please remember, this is a plug adapter, not a voltage converter. It's designed for dual voltage devices that accept 100V, 250V. Always check your electronics like hair dryers or straighteners for this rating before your trip to ensure compatibility. What we like. This adapter offers a convenient 3-in-1 charging solution with 1 AC outlet and 2 USB ports, including a USB-C. If you're looking for a compact, lightweight adapter to charge your phone, tablet, and a small device simultaneously without bulk, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for light travelers who need essential charging without a voltage converter. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract points as the source content is empty. Number 4. TESSAN European Travel Adapter with USB-C PD20W. Planning a trip to Europe? This adapter is designed to power all your devices. It's perfect for countries like Italy, Spain, France, and Germany, ensuring you stay connected wherever you go. Say goodbye to multiple adapters. This compact device features 4 AC outlets, 1 USB-C port, and 2 USB-A ports. It allows you to charge up to 7 devices at once, saving you time and hassle. Need a quick charge for your phone or earbuds? Its USB-C port delivers up to 20 W of power, ensuring your essential gadgets are ready when you are. Plus, 2 additional USB-A ports handle other devices with ease. Please remember, this is not a voltage converter. Ensure your electronics, especially high-wattage items like hair dryers, support dual voltage, 100-250V, before plugging them in. It's crucial for safe usage abroad. Measuring just 2.24 by 3.14 by 2.65 inches and weighing only 3.48 ounces, it slips easily into any bag. Its smart 4-sided design prevents blocking other outlets, and with no surge protection, it's ideal for cruise ships. What we like. This powerful adapter provides a robust 7-in-1 charging experience, featuring 4 AC outlets and 3 USB ports, including a 20W power delivery USB-C. If you have multiple devices like a laptop, phone, and camera that need fast charging, and you want to avoid blocking other outlets, its unique 4-sided design makes it ideal for maximizing power in tight spaces. This is your go-to for heavy tech users. What people say. No review content available from source. No review content available from source. Number 3. BESTEK Universal Travel Adapter and Voltage Converter. Planning an international trip? This essential device ensures your US electronics work safely anywhere. It converts foreign voltage from 100-240V to a stable 110-120V, protecting your gadgets. With 4 USB charging ports and 3 AC sockets, it can power up to 7 devices simultaneously. This makes it perfect for keeping all your mobile phones and other essentials charged on the go. Boasting a high conversion rate, it's compatible with many travel devices under 250W. Use it for curling irons, laptops, phones, cameras, CPAP machines, and more. Your safety is paramount. This device features integrated safeguards against overcurrent, overload, overheating, and short-circuiting. An indicator light and automatic power cutoff provide peace of mind. Covering over 150 countries, it's your ultimate travel companion. From Europe to Asia, Australia to the Americas, it ensures your devices are always ready. Please note, this converter is not designed for high-wattage heating appliances. Avoid using it with items like hair dryers, coffee machines, or steam irons, regardless of their wattage. What we like. Unlike the others, this is a true voltage converter, stepping down 220V to 110V, making your US devices safe overseas. If you absolutely need to use single-voltage US electronics like hair straighteners or CPAP machines in countries with higher voltage, this is the essential item you need. Its worldwide plug compatibility also ensures you're covered in over 150 countries. What people say. Number 2. TESSAN European Travel Adapter with 2 USB. Planning a trip to Europe. This adapter is your perfect companion, ensuring your devices stay powered throughout your journey. It's designed specifically for travelers from the USA heading to most European countries. It works seamlessly in many popular destinations like France, Germany, Spain, and Italy. Just plug it in and you're ready to go. Please note, it's not for use in the UK, Ireland, or Scotland. Forget juggling multiple chargers. This compact device transforms one European socket into an American outlet and 2 USB ports. You can power up to 3 gadgets simultaneously, perfect for your phone, tablet, and camera. Its 2 USB ports intelligently detect your devices, delivering optimal charging speeds up to 2.4A. This ensures your cell phone, tablet, or earphones charge quickly and efficiently. Weighing only 3.3 ounces, it's incredibly lightweight and portable, fitting easily into your pocket or bag. Plus, with no surge protection or cords, it's fully approved for cruise ships. Remember, this adapter supports devices with a wide voltage range of 100V to 250V. For high-power appliances like hair dryers, ensure they are also wide voltage compatible or use a separate converter. What we like. This convenient 2-pack offers excellent value, providing 2 compact adapters each with 1 AC outlet and 2 USB ports. If you're traveling with a companion or need charging in multiple locations, e.g., hotel room and cafe, having 2 of these lightweight, portable units is incredibly practical. It's perfect for couples or business travelers who need reliable, distributed charging. What people say. Number 1. TESSAN European Travel Plug Adapter with USB. This essential travel companion is designed for most European countries like France, Germany, and Italy. It ensures your US devices work seamlessly abroad, but remember, it's not for the UK or Ireland. With 1 AC outlet and 3 USB charging ports, it lets you power up to 4 devices at once. This makes it perfect for travelers, business professionals, and students in hotels or airports. Its USB-A ports deliver up to 2.4A, while the USB-C port provides a maximum of 3A. These versatile ports intelligently detect your devices, offering optimal charging for phones, tablets, and cameras. Measuring just 2.1 by 2.91 by 2.68 inches, it's incredibly lightweight and portable. This design saves valuable space in your luggage, making it an ideal item for any trip, including cruises. Please note, this adapter works with dual voltage devices from 100V to 250V. For high-power items like hair dryers, always check their voltage compatibility or consider a separate converter. What we like. This generous 3-pack provides even more flexibility, with each adapter offering a 4-in-1 charging solution including 1 AC outlet and 3 USB ports, 1 USB-C. If you're traveling with a family or a group, or simply want to ensure you have plenty of charging options across different rooms or devices, this multi-pack is an unbeatable choice. It ensures everyone stays powered up without fighting for outlets. What people say. No positive product reviews found in the provided source. No positive product reviews found in the provided source. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.